How to find download data settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find download data settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile and then click the storylines and stop and click settings and privacy and then click this one, privacy, and scroll down. Here you will find download your data, and as you see here you can download your data, and first you need to request data. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.